posachedwapa tikupasirani mene Nathu anachezera ndi show Madjozi oimba wamkazi ameneyi wa ku South Africa amene anabwera mdziko muno ndipo anakachita nawo perform ku Lake of Stars ndipo oimbayo ndiwoziwika bwino pakuti anayimbanso nyimbo inayotchuka kwambiri amati Cena komanso tu show Madjozi wakhala akutchuka pakatipa kupanga tima TikTok video akuyimba nyimbo za Chichewa ndipo Nathu anacheza naye pa Monday motere.
Okay, on a Radio 2 FM, ladies and gentlemen, we have a show Madjozi in the Jozi Ulibwanji.
Ndiri bwino, I say, finally!
Finally, we are live on Radio 2 FM, show Madjozi. And first of all, first things first, how are you doing?
I'm very good, man. I'm so excited Kuti we're finally here. It's been a long time coming. I've been excited. I've been hearing Kuti there's Made on Monday. It's a big show. I had to make sure Kuti I get here.
You already
know.
Great. So welcome to the show. And you came for Lake Stars. Tell me, how was Lake Stars?
Lake of Stars was really good. It was my first time. In fact, it was my first time performing Malawi in general. So, yeah, it was. I enjoyed it a lot. The crowd was quite good.
You came to Malawi when exactly?
Hey, bro. Bro, this is my first time coming to perform.
Yes.
Malawi. Last time I came here, I came with my dad when I was like 16.
Very young.
I was very young. You know what I'm saying?
And how are you enjoying your stay in Malawi?
I want to see more. I want to see more.
Yeah.
She Lake of Stars, we were in the north, you know.
Yes, in Kota.
Yes. So
but we took you to the extremes of Malawi because that's the lake, and then after that, all you see is the village.
Yes.
And
I want people to know, Kuti, we were actually driving yesterday for like 12 hours.
Yo.
Blend tires, so yeah, like it. I want to see like how are people like in Blantyre. I haven't seen that.
So yeah, you reminded me. People are saying that we should give you a plot in Malawi. So where would you like to be given a plot in Malawi?
People are saying, Kuti, I should get a plot in Airwing. Where's that?
That's in Lilongwe, the capital city.
Okay, it's in Lilongwe.
Yeah, there's a place called Airwing. I don't know why, because a lot of people who we celebrate in Malawi, let's say footballers, people who do well, they're given plots by companies who,
really?
They are trying to, promote their business. So they say, we're giving you a plot, we're giving you a plot, we're giving you a plot. So give them plots called Airwing.
Oh, Airwing. But any plot, you guys.
So show Madjozi, tell us the influence behind all your music.
Behind all my music, my influence, I've always wanted to do the music that I wish I heard, you know? Like, when I started off, there wasn't like a Tsonga pop star, of my generation, and I wanted to be that. And then, because I had also lived in Tanzania, and there was no South African music that was in Swahili, so then I wanted to do that. Yeah, so I always just do what I feel like is missing, and what I would like to hear,
Okay, and your roots. You started off as a poet. How much has poetry helped you in your music now?
It's everything. It's everything. Chifuka, like I studied words. Words, that's like my thing, and I'm sure everyone knows. Like I love languages, I love words, and so that's what I do. I'm a writer, and that's why, like, even for me, genre doesn't matter. Like I can do on gqom, I can be on piano, I can be on hip hop. Like it doesn't. The genre doesn't matter as much to me as the writing does.
Yeah.
I love writing. I love playing with words.
So we all know you as Show Madjozi, but people who don't know. People who don't know should know that your real name is Maya.
Yes. Why are you telling people my government name? Hey,
there's a reason why.
Mr.
There's a reason why. Because we're celebrating you because Maya is also a Malawian name. In the sense that Maya is a short form of Maya Amigo.
Maya Amigo.
So yes, Maya Amigo is praised.
Gemini calls me that. Now I understand.
Oh yeah, he does that.
Gemini Major, he's always like, yeah, Maya Amigo. Even like when we record, like he always saves my tracks as like Maya Amigo.
That's exactly the reason. So he had been keeping it from you, not telling you exactly why. So yeah. But then tell us, how did you choose the name Show Madjozi? What does it mean?
Yeah, there was a TV character when I was young on a show called Generations in South Africa. Was Vivian Madjozi, and she had like this big curly hair, and like my cousins were like, "Oh, that looks like your hair," so they started calling me Madjozi.
You had such hair when you were young?
Yeah.
Ah, great. We also used to watch Generations, yeah.
Really?
Yes, and up until it changed, but we used to watch a thing on free TV as well. And after that, even now, people still watch the likes of what's this, Rhythm City? Is it still there?
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
City.
Rhythm City, Scandal up until it wrapped up.
Yes.
We follow a lot of you guys.
But how do you guys follow the shows? You understand like the language and everything?
Subtitles. We get lucky because of the subtitles. Yes, and you've traveled a lot to several African countries even before you became famous. And how has that helped you as an artist?
Yeah, the fact that I've lived in multiple places, like it's everything. Like, you know, I can relate to people from almost everywhere. But what it has made me realize more than anything, Ndikuti, like we really are the same people. Like especially between here, between, I would say, well, not here, but between South Africa and like Kenya, I feel like this is like the same people. That's what I saw. It's like we're actually speaking the same language.
In South Africa, I want to find out, where did you grow up exactly? Where?
Hey, Limpopo! I'm a Limpopo girl. Everybody knows that, Joey.
Because it's quite surprising, because people don't expect you to know the local languages from South Africa a lot. But looks are deceiving sometimes.
Hey, you're saying I don't look like I know the local languages. What do you mean, Joey?
Okay, how many local languages do you speak?
From South Africa, I speak pretty much all of them.
No ways.
Yes way, my friend.
No way.
I do. No, I speak a lot of languages. And then outside of South Africa, I speak, obviously, Swahili.
Yeah.
I speak French. And, I mean, I understand a lot of languages.
Okay, tell us about then your Swahili. I'm interested because they are a neighboring country, Tanzania.
Yes.
I want to find out, how did you learn Swahili, and in one time, and how long did it take you to learn Swahili?
It was very quick for me to learn Swahili. Like, my family moved there when I was 16 years old. So I got to Tanzania, and then I think within about 6 months, within like 3 months, I was understanding. And then in like 6 months, I was speaking, you know.
Oh, okay.
Because our languages are the same, bruh.
They are the same.
Like, you guys will say Njovu.
Yeah.
They will say Ndovu. We will say Ndovu.
Yeah, we do say Njovu.
Zulu people say Njovu. It's just the same thing.
Nkuku.
Nkuku, Mbuzi, Mfana. You guys even say Mfana.
We say Mfana, yes. I think we took it from you guys.
Oh, do you? Oh, it was like slang for you.
Yeah, it was slang for us, because there's also so many people come from there. They want to show off to us. You know, they bring those street languages from there, so we pick it up like Mfana, sharp, stuff like that.
Yeah, but we also take slang from here. Like, you know, like the timers in South Africa, like the older guys in SA, they always say like Moja and whatever, things like that. And Jita, which is all from Swahili.
Yeah. Okay. Now, we're going to go back to, you know, your roots, how you started. I want to understand, how did you begin your journey in arts? What came first between the music, the poetry?
I started doing music, and right at the beginning of my music career, I got an acting role on a South African TV show. But I wouldn't consider myself an actress necessarily, but I did do some acting.
But then recently you're also doing a show to do with exposing of discovering talent, is it?
Oh yes, and then right now I'm judging on a
You're a
show,
judge.
called Ushuno Mhlaba, where we're just uncovering like traditional South African music talent. You know?
It's called what?
Ushuno Mhlaba.
It means what?
It means the Shuni of the world. Like, Ushuni, your music.
Chun. It comes from Chun.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. Okay, now I want to talk about your song, John Cena. I wish I could play it, but there's a reason because we're streaming on Facebook. Can play it now.
By the way,
now.
hi to everyone that's watching us on Facebook. Muribanje, I say, Lataya, let's go.
Yeah. So the song John Cena. How did that song come about?
Oh my goodness. You know, you guys were actually dancing to my pain with that song.
Ooh.
Because I was I was feeling heartbroken about a boy that I felt like he didn't see me. So I was like, unajifanya unioni labda mini John Cena, meaning like you're acting like you don't see me, maybe I'm John Cena too. Okay.
And
people are like, yeah.
And people were dancing. People were dancing to you being heartbroken.
And that's the weird thing about being a musician, Brian. You'll be singing your pain and then like you're on stage, tears coming.
Yeah. And then, oh my word, Madjozi, that song became an instant hit.
Yeah, it did.
And it was everywhere. Even kids here were singing it. They still sing it up until today. How did people dance to it at the Liquor Stars?
Oh man, it was crazy. The reception to that song, but to the whole set in general, was insane. And you forget that you really have an impact on people like all over the place. It's crazy because we even went to like rural areas and people were like singing my songs and everything. So
I saw that clip of you in the market singing the new song you were about to release.
Yeah.
And did they know who you are though?
They definitely did, which is so surprising to me. Yeah, they did. I mean, I don't know. It's just like Malawians are so like online, like really, really heavy on Facebook.
Yes.
And TikTok and like, because everybody knew. And I don't know. I just think people are very active and people are so funny. Go my comments on Facebook. TikTok, it's so funny, you guys.
And then the Gwila Malaya.
Gwila Malaya, nanindilo bas.
So that's a new song that's coming up. Tell us more about that song. I want to find out because you're keeping us in anticipation. Yeah. We keep waiting and waiting. Tell us more about that song and also when is it dropping?
Yes, Kadigongo. So with Kadigong, it's gonna be my first single. So I haven't released any music for like 2 years. And I was gonna release in November. That was like when my album like rollout was starting. So and then like I had this like debate. I had a point. I wanted to prove something to Gemini Major. So we ended up doing Kadigong. And because the reception of it is so big, like I think that's going to end up being the first single we're going to release this month, and then my second single I'll release in November. Okay, so
Gemini Major has been speaking to you in Chichewa. You conversate in Chichewa.
No, we don't. He's a madman. No, he is. I wish he was here. This whole thing started because I heard his verse on that song with Achinagata.
Achinagata, I say. Yeah.
And I was like, bro, I sent him the video. I said, yo, nice verse. So he's like, nah, you don't even know what I'm saying. I'm like, bro, why would I not know what you're saying? Like, I understand what you're saying on that song, right?
Okay.
Because that whole verse, I'm like, I know what you're saying. So he's like, nah, you don't. I'm like, bruh. So I did a video on TikTok, like doing that whole verse.
Yes.
In Chichewa. And I wrote there, like, why don't people believe that I understand Chichewa? And it went like crazy, like it went viral, the comments and everything. And I was still seeing people still don't think that I can speak this language. I'm like, nah, I'm going to do a whole song in Chichewa and show you guys that I can do this thing.
So that's why Kadigongo came in.
That's when Kadigongo became a thing.
Oh my word! So when
and even now, people don't believe.
People still don't believe. People still don't understand. But then the flip side of it is that other people think you're Malawian.
Oh really?
We want to start claiming you. We're taking you back. Now I asked you this. When is the song dropping?
Yes. So I had to like get on my team and really push them to make sure. And I'm hoping, I'm really crossing fingers that we'll be able to drop it by the end of next week.
Okay.
Joy, where are your sound effects?
You don't sound here. We really want it to drop because we relate with the song. It's in Chichewa as well, and I think we are going to embrace it so well because it's our song now. And also that you came to Lagos Stars. Oh my word. Oh my word. Now, I want to find out from you, Malawian foods. What have you eaten so far?
Oh man, okay. I have to be honest, that the thing that I most want to eat, I still have not eaten, which is linunda.
Linunda. Oh my word. You're making me hungry.
But then we've been eating sima and chambo, which is really nice also. Yeah, we've been having...
I heard you were asking for mangina somewhere.
Was that me? That was my team.
But you were the one asking. And now you're okay. You're asking for Oh, that was your team.
Yeah, that was someone on my team. They love it because even in SA we eat it, but we call it mangina.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's
It's the same hoofs.
Guys.
Yeah.
We're really one person.
We are one. Whoever put the boundaries. Whoever put the boundaries, anatila kwira. Anatila kwira.
We are one, bro. What do you mean?
As you can see, we are encouraging Chichewa.
Thank you.
Yeah. Your Chichewa is interesting as well and very good.
It's interesting, not good.
You know why? Not good, yes, because for someone, we haven't had an artist in a long time. Do you know Mafikizolo did a Chichewa song called, when they came here and then they left, they did a song called Sibongile.
Okay.
They sang, Zikomo. It was a song called Zikomo, yes. I think they were thanking us because we looked after them very well.
I have to say, Malawian hospitality is amazing. Like, I do have to say that, yeah.
You like it, huh?
Yeah, very nice. And Malawian people in general, I find to be some of the most just charming and funny.
They are very funny. They are very funny.
You know, and I think Malawian women are very pretty. When I see them, are very beautiful. Yeah, so
and
I like Malawians a lot.
And the Malawian kids, the children as well.
Oh, cute babies! Oh, you heard the story. I fell in love with like a little baby girl on our way here, and I was like, that's why Madonna and them are adopting Malawi and stuff. They know, like I think but I really do think that Malawian people in general are very slept on. Like people here are really cute. Like
they are.
Actually, they are, yeah.
Yeah, not serious, I know.
Umaona,
Umaona kwambiri. So umaona kwambiri. Okay, so after Malawi, any other places you're heading to? I'm not sure when you're leaving, but then after Malawi, you're heading back home to rest or you're going someplace again?
I'm going to start in Tanzania to support my girl Nandi. She's doing a festival there, so I'm going to go to that festival in Tanzania in Mwanza. I know you guys also have a place called Mwanza.
There's also a place called Mwanza. It's actually very close. It's about 70-80 kilometers from here.
Yeah, so...
Since you've been moving around a lot, like in Malawi, traveling the whole day, so 60 kilometers or 80 is nothing to you now.
No, that's nothing, bro. We were on the road yesterday, 12 hours. When I tell you 12 hours, bro, yo. I was done.
I can imagine.
I drove by completely.
I can imagine. Kutopa. Kutoperatu. So tell us, you're saying you're going to Tanzania for Nandi's show.
Yeah.
When exactly is it?
So we're going to do Nandi's show on the Friday in Mwanza. Do you guys listen to Tanzanian music at all?
We do a lot.
Okay.
We do a lot because mostly also, apart from being neighbors, but a lot of Malawians travel there to buy stuff and bring over here. So Diamond Platinums has also been here a couple of times at different festivals as well. So we listen a lot. In fact, here before you came in, there's a presenter at Radio 2 who speaks Swahili. We should meet him. Yeah, Frank. Frank speaks a lot of Swahili. So your Swahili is at least top notch. It's good.
Definitely.
So you're gonna have a good time when you go there.
You already know, my friend. You already do.
So your acting career, you're not doing movies and all that. So any more sitcoms?
I think I'll do small roles if they come. But yeah, I'm more interested, I guess, in like writing for film or making music for movies as well.
Someone told me to ask you to say that. What is the thing that you've enjoyed the most about Malawi?
What I've enjoyed the most, 100% the people.
Mm-hmm.
I would really say I've enjoyed the people. I've enjoyed the gin.
The gin? Which gin?
Oh, no. Like, it's been, like, the people really are amazing. Like, I have a question for you, actually.
Okay.
Kuti, you know, every African country, it has, like, you know, another name. Like, South Africa, Dumati, the Rainbow Nation.
The Rainbow Nation, yes, true.
Or, like, Rwanda, they'll say the land of 1,000 hills.
Yeah.
What's the nickname for Malawi?
For Malawi, it's the warm heart of Africa. Wait, hold up, it's coming.
Oh, that's a nice one. I like that, the warm heart, and it's so true. Oh my God, that's so true.
It is quite lovely, I said, and it means a lot to us because we really feel like we are the warm heart of Africa.
Oh, so you guys also know.
We don't know that. We know. And when you travel like this, what do you miss the most about home?
What do I miss? I guess, again, people. For me, places are people. So I guess, like, sometimes I'll like...
You don't miss the food?
Hell no.
Wow.
Why would I miss the... I don't miss...
So you enjoyed our Nsima here?
Yeah. I love Nsima, I love the fish, I love the meat, I love the chicken.
Yeah.
Like, I love it, me. So
yeah.
I definitely don't miss the food. But sometimes I miss people. My family, my friends. Her and like quite a few people are like, hey, that's my country. I'm like, you guys, I didn't know. You didn't tell me.
It was coming. You
don't say but you guys are from Malawi. Guys.
Great. Now, I've never seen you so at a loss for words, because knowing you're a bubbly character, you're lively, but there's one time whereby you're at a loss for words at the Kelly Clarkson show. Kelly Clarkson told you to perform the John Cena song, and while performing, John Cena showed up. How was that experience for you?
I mean, you guys saw the reaction. I was totally shocked because she said, like, he's not there. And so after I saw him, I'm like, but you said he's not there. Like, there's very few, like, I don't know, there's very few celebrities that I think I would have lost my mind to see them. But that one, I mean, dude, you guys, I'm sure you also watched wrestling since you're young.
A lot of wrestling people do here.
Dude, I've been watching it since a child in the village. So I just never, we didn't even know if those people were real or, you know.
Yeah.
So when I saw him, I lost it.
So it's strange. People get starstruck when they see you, but you got starstruck. I can imagine.
But for me, it's weird because I forget Kuti I'm famous even going. Like, for me, like anyone around you will tell you that. Well, anyone around me will tell you that. Like, I forget, you know, that, like, sometimes people stare at me when I'm out and I'm like, what's this one looking at? And I'm like, oh, I'm famous, I forgot.
I'd like to ask you something that you've won so many awards, Madjozi, so many awards. Which one do you hold the dearest to your heart?
It will always be the South African Music Awards. It's like I've won international awards, of course, and I've won the BET award. That's like obviously very big, and I like, you know, it's a big honor. But to grow up looking at the legends that I love in South African music, winning summer awards. That's what we call them. And then to get those myself was like really, really big. And I did my second album. It was like a traditional music, like from Limpopo, you know, from my village. And I actually won Best Traditional Album in South Africa. And that was a big thing for me. Because, like, guys,
wait, hold up. You won what?
I won the Best Traditional Album. So my second album won Best Traditional at the South African Music Awards.
Wait,
and that was like a really big thing.
Hold up.
And Best Female. Hey.
That's serious. Serious. So I know you listen to a lot of music. Who do you like to listen to when you chilled out? So you don't want to listen to you don't want to touch your music.
Yes.
Who do you listen to when you chilled out?
I actually listen to very different music than the music I make. So I'll listen to like your Oliver Mtukudzi, your Sade's, whatever. I like very like calm, mellow, and old music also.
Yeah. And let's talk about Malawi music.
Yes.
I don't want you to mention Gemini Major because you've listened to so many songs by Gemini Major. Which Malawian artists do you know or do you listen to or have you listened to before?
So I have been listening to a lot of Zeze Kingston since probably last year.
Hey yo,
Papa. And I got to meet him obviously at Lake of Stars. And then I also saw this guy called Fada Moti.
Yes.
When I arrived.
Yes.
I liked his vibe, his energy was crazy.
Yeah.
And then I also met Temwa.
Yeah.
She's super cute, so I hope to actually meet more artists while I'm here as well.
Definitely.
Yes.
There's so many artists.
Yes,
yeah.
And I want like more people to know, you know, like I want like also Malawian artists and music to transcend outside of, you know, Malawi also, like because I feel like people are missing out on like really good music and good vibes.
Yeah. I mean, you had first-hand experience at the Lake of Stars because we had a lot of Malawian artists performing there.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And also, guys, like, I mean, some of the biggest artists in South Africa, you'll find like they're half Malawian or they're actually Malawian.
Casper Nyovest, the grandfather, comes from here.
Exactly.
You know?
Wasn't it his father?
We had the grandfather.
The grandfather.
Yeah,
and
somewhere
then
there.
Ladies Amar, both parents.
Yes.
So
we are going to come to South Africa and take all of them, come back here, so that they should be doing music from here. We also had, for me, the greatest. I mean, not for me the greatest. Ray Piri.
Oh, was he Malawian?
Parents came from here.
No way.
I swear. The Piri name is the Piri name is also Malawian. There's so many Piris here.
I heard that.
Yeah. For me,
I heard that. Even my road manager, like, she just discovered that in her family there's Piris, and she's like, and we're like, no, they actually.
We are claiming her too.
Guys, the more that we look at this, the more we'll realize like we're actually very
we are.
in this
we
region.
definitely
like,
are.
We really have a lot. Like there's even things I hear of my grandmother speaking where I'm like, this sounds a lot like Chichewa words, right? Like she would say, you guys would say, or like, for example, that line from Gemini's song that says like, ukuyangana nidisoloderera. That's what my grandmother would say, the same thing, like kuninyanga itisorodelela, you know. Like
sounds the same.
I know, so I'm like, I don't know why, you know, but in the reality of the situation is that we're actually really mixed in this area. Like this, we're actually one people, if I'm honest.
Exactly, we are. Man, Madjozi, I'd like to thank you so much for coming through. I've held you up here for long.
Yes. Don't thank me with words, my friend. Give me something. Something. Something, uncle.
Kachasu, how about Kachasu?
What could you thank a person with the words?
Man. Okay.
Thank you, Dichani.
We'll do, okay, I'm going to thank you with, because I wouldn't allow you to leave without a freestyle. So here on Made on Monday, everyone who comes through does a freestyle.
Okay.
And Ndufuna freestyle. Okay. So, of course, I didn't prepare a bit. We got to find a bit for you. So, since you like do, ding, 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 ding.
Mr. Joy.
But I don't have anything like that. Now, what would you go for then?
Give me something classic, legendary Malawian.
Okay, Malawian.
Yeah.
Malawian would be good. Malawian would be fine. So I got something here which I was listening to a couple of days ago. Finally found the instrumental. So I think this one here can work very well. So what we're going to do is we are going to come back to you very, very shortly, because coming up next we've got a freestyle here on Made on Monday with Show Madjozi. Just stand by for the freestyle here on Made on Monday.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's go!
All the way live from Blantyre, Malawi. Rocking with Joy Nathu. Joy Nathu.
We're coming to you live right here on Radio 2FM. We have got Show Madjozi in the building. Show Madjozi. Before that, has anybody given you a Malawian name?
Malawian names? No, actually. You should give me one.
Nambewe.
Eh?
Nambewe.
Nambewe.
Nambewe. Ask people around in the studio that tell you Nambewe is a lovely name.
Is it a nice name, guys? Okay, I'm seeing he's nodding. He's saying
Nambewe is nice. So we have got Show Madjozi in the building. Coming up next with a live freestyle on Made on Monday.
You're tuned in to Made on Monday. Made on Monday with Joy Nathu. Joy Nathu.
Who didn't like me? I'm a Big Mac nigga. Who didn't bite me? Who said hair, culture, swag? Who came from the village and went back there with a bag? Come on, man. Serious. Fight me. Hey, okay. Because I don't speak Chichewa. Sure. Show Madjozi kuwaika mudoti. Choka kujoni cheleka airport. Tafika B-town tikamwe umozi. Wamasese kapena vele moti. Mukani wana basi ndipateni moni. Ndakazikika basi ndipateni ploti. Ndilindima hiti mushitonga muswahili muchichewa za chingende sitima panga fosi. Akuti iwe banju vukuzipopa. Ine basi kuteta kunyoza. Kazi wakumazi sama gwidwa ndizoba. Joy ndamaliza tieni kumoa. Basi.
My word! Ladies and gentlemen, that is Show Madjozi on Made on Monday. Killer freestyle. Madisama and Chichewa, she does rap even in Chichewa. Freestyle on fire! Ah man, you're in your zone. You're in your zone.
Oh my God. Was that Young K?
That was, yes, Young K instrumental. Kusumana. Kusumana is lovely. It's lovely.
Legendary. He's such a legend. Shout out to him.
Oh man, Young K, wherever you're at, Show Madjozi says you're legendary.
He's such a cool guy, and his raps were cold. Like they were cold. That guy was crazy, actually.
He still is doing it. He still is doing it. Yeah, he still is regarded as one of the best. So you're not wrong.
Atu, dress sharper than the edge of a knife. Hey! Hey, come on, bro. Respect that man.
He is great. And
thank you, Mr. Joey.
No, thank you so much for coming through. And that freestyle was lovely. We definitely enjoyed it. And I also like to thank you so much for coming through tonight on Made on Monday. You've given us such a huge honor. And you're the first artist from anyway to come do it live. Most of them we do it on Facebook, Zoom links, and it's crazy with the network in Malawi.
Yeah, true.
Yeah,
true.
yes.
But it was nice being here, man.
It's been lovely. So let's get back to the Kadigong song, because can you give us the powers to play the song?
Oh my God, this is gonna be the first time ever played on radio. Wow. Okay. Can I give you an intro? Are you gonna play?
You should give us an intro. You should give us an intro, please. Give us an intro.
Ayo, what's really good, Malawi? Dinalanga ndi show, Madjozi. I'm here with Mr. Joey on Made on Monday, which is, of course, on Radio 2 FM. Right now, for the first time ever, exclusive Invaizi. We've got Kadigong.
Coming up next, we play Kadigong, and I would like to thank all those who are watching us on Facebook. That means Facebook live stream. If you want to listen to Kadigong, you have to tune into the radio, 88.0 FM as well as 88.2 FM in Malawi. Shoma Jozi. Zikomo kwambiri.
Zikomo, thank you guys so much. I've really enjoyed. Tieni kumoa, my friend. Bro. Thank you. So you can thank me properly. But thank you to everybody watching. Thank you to everyone that's alive.
FM anachezera ndi show Madjozi pamene ali kumalawi kuno ndipo adakapanga nawo perform ku mwambo wa maimbidwe wa Lake of Stars wa chaka chino, ndipo show Madjozi wamenya freestyle ya Chichewa komanso kuyankhula Chichewa ndithu chomveka bwino. Zonse zitiwafulukuza kuti ndi chidwi chake komanso Cena amamuthandiza anthu oyimba oziwika bwino wa kumalawi kuno koma amene amakhala ku South Africa, Gemini Major.